Watch and learn how to draw Pearl from the Disney movie, Finding Nemo. Have someone help you print this page, so you can draw on it as you follow along. Be sure to slow or stop the video if you need to help you look at how it is done. Try to keep the lines drawn in the squares as you see them, and your drawing will turn out looking exactly as you see in the video. In the movie Finding Nemo, Pearl is a little flapjack octopus who is Nemo's classmate and friend. Although Pearl joins her classmates in swimming off the reef, she quickly grows frightened. Whenever she is frightened, she releases ink, sending a black cloud into the ocean around her. According to Pearl, one of her tentacles is shorter than the others, although no one else can tell. She is proud to claim she is able to walk on land. If you like how this video is presented, please subscribe to enjoy many others to come. If you feel you have advanced drawing skills above this level, please visit the adult Disney art channel called Magical Creations Disney Art, where Disney characters are drawn in a similar way. We hope to see you again at either of these two drawing channels. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.